Take a ride in the 2008 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, driver memory seats, engine hour meter, heated passenger seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.